Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will learn how to play Coldplay's Yellow. We're going to go through every section of the song, and once you're done, if you want to play along with the original recording, you would just need to put your capo on the 2nd fret. So let's start at the verse just to get a feel for the strumming pattern and the rhythm of switching chords. So we're going to start on chord A, and the strumming that I'm doing for this is down, 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 down. And then I would switch to the next chord, which is E, E for echo, down, 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 down. And then D for delta. Back to A for alpha, yeah. And this is pretty much the vibe for the whole song. So all of the verses follow this little pattern that we just did. So let's try and play through that first verse now. 1, 2, keep it slow and steady. 1, 2, breathe, go. A, A, echo, B, B, D for delta, and back to A for alpha. Yeah, good. Now let's try and add some of the words. The singing note is on B string, open, and then 2nd fret. Look at the stars. Let's try that. 1, 2, with the words. Verse 1, go. Let's try that again for me. I messed that up. 1, 2 for me. 1, 2, ready, go now. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you, and everything you do. You live along, I came along, I wrote a song for you, and all the things you do. That was the first verse. Okay, take a pause here. Check your posture. Make sure you're not crouching over the guitar. And if it's facing up, this is a good time to reposition it. And then one more thing, if you're noticing your wrists are really bent as you're playing, this could cause problems down the line. So try and bring the elbow back and position your hand in such a way so where you don't have this drastic bend that's gonna be painful later on. And if you have carpal tunnel or arthritis, that can make things hurt even more. So make sure you check your wrists as you're playing. Okay, so let's go to the next section of the song. Okay, so now to end this section and lead us into the chorus, we're going to go back to that same pattern where we're on A and start singing. So then I took my life back to that E. Oh, what a thing to have done. And it was all yellow. Now, if you're more of a beginner or if you feel like you're already stretched thin, then you can stay on the A chord until you go into the chorus. But if you're feeling like, okay, I can try something more, I can add to what I'm doing. We have an A, and then an A sus4. It gives us this change in notes, listen. From the A to the A sus4. It's just a little rise. It kind of adds some beauty to the music. So I like to do the A sus4 by sliding the ring finger over But you could add a pinky there if that works best for your hand. Or if you're doing A with middle ring and pinky already, then you would slide that pinky. So you have a few options. And by the way, I've created a printable for you to download. This has all the strumming instructions next to all of the notes. I normally do this for my Patreon community, but there are so many new people watching this channel that I wanted to do a little welcome gift. So go ahead and download that for free. I'm not asking for an email address or for any info. You just get the download. I don't like it when people advertise they're giving something for free and then I have to exchange personal information. So I'm not doing that with you. You get access to the Google document so you can just print or save it onto a device that you like to read from. Now we've arrived at the chorus of the song, and for this one we're gonna have a repeating pattern of D, F sharp minor. Don't turn away from this song. I'm gonna give you a cheat for that bar chord. That sounds so pretty. So it'll sound a little bit like this. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones. D, D, this modification, and E. Okay, so first we do D for the two patterns, right? Down, up, down, 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 up. And then I would love for you to do either a baby bar of 4 strings closest to the floor and just touch those 4. Or you can put one finger on each of the second frets for strings, I know my string names, D, G, B, E, or 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you go to the E. So the trickiest part of this is that it's fast. So let's do something I like to do with my private students, which is to only play on beat 1. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's D, 2, 3 again, D, 2, F sharp, and then the E. And then we would repeat that. So let's try that first. What we're doing now is we're training the left hand to switch in time. The right hand can come later. So we're just breaking apart the two hands so that we can make it easier on ourselves. So let's try it. 1, 2, on beat 1. Ready, go. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Again, go. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones. Keep going. Turn sad to something beautiful. You know I love you so. And stay on D. One more D. You know I love you so. Okay, so now let's add the strumming pattern. We're gonna go way slower though. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Down, 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 down. Baby bar. E. Back to D. D again. Baby bar. E. One more time now. Let's try the chorus again. Choose your level. If it means strumming on beat 1, then strum on beat 1. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, play with joy. Ready, go. Your skin, your skin and bones turns into something beautiful. You know I love you so. Down, 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 up, down. Single strum. You know I love you so. D for delta, A for alpha. Now we have arrived at the end of the song. We have a bridge and an outro. The bridge plays exactly like a verse, so let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It's true, look how they shine for you. 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 Look how. Now we're gonna slow down a lot for the outro. We're gonna go to an A. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for. And now we're gonna go to an E minor. You. And all the things you do. I hope that you had a lot of fun learning today's song. Remember that you can add a capo on the second fret to sound like the original, or you can move the fret around to find the one that really suits your voice. Now, if you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more or learn with me via Zoom, I do lessons on Wednesdays and Thursdays for my Patreon community, so I'll link that down below. And the best way to support the channel is to just come back and watch another video. So I'll see you there. Ciao!